Hi students, let us discuss about the wave equation for lossy dielectric medium. It is also called as medium with finite conductivity. Means it says the conductivity of a medium is not is equals to 0 but less than infinite. Means it is a finite value. Means it is not a good conductor and it is not a dielectric medium. Why? Because for dielectric medium the conductivity is 0. And for good conductors the conductivity is about infinite, but in here it is in between. The value of conductivity is in between. So this type of medium is called as lossy dielectric medium. Now consider the medium is charge free region. For charge free region the charge density is 0. We have the Maxwell's equations. Del dot D is equals to rho V. Here I am assuming the medium is charge free region, so rho V will become 0. That is del dot D is equals to 0. That implies D is epsilon into E is equals to 0. Finally epsilon dot del dot E is equals to 0. Let it be equation number 1. Next is another equation, del dot B is equals to 0. We have B is equals to mu into H is equals to 0. That implies mu into del H is equals to 0. Let it be equation number 2. The another equation is del cross E is equals to minus dou P by dou T. That is written as minus mu dou H by dou T. And the final expression is del cross H is equals to, usually we will take dou D by dou T, but it is having some conductivity, which is sigma E plus dou D by dou T, where sigma E is equals to J. That is equals to sigma E plus epsilon into dou by dou T into G. Equation number 3 and equation number 4. We know that the electric and magnetic field signals are harmonic signals. So I am representing E is equals to E naught into e power j omega t, and H is equals to H naught into e power j omega t. Let it be equation number 5 and here it is equation number 6. Just substitute equation number 6 in equation number 3. You will get 6 in 3. You will get del cross E is equals to minus mu into dou by dou T of H is H naught e power j omega t. So therefore del cross E is equals to minus j omega mu into H, which is already derived in the previous lectures. Let this is equation number 7. Next is substitute equation number 5 in 4. Here you will get del cross H is equals to sigma into E is E naught e power j omega t plus epsilon into dou by dou T of E naught into e power j omega t. That is equals to sigma epsilon naught e power j omega t remains as it is, epsilon into E naught dou by dou T of e power j omega t will become j omega into e power j omega t. That is equals to, take the common terms, sigma plus epsilon j omega E naught into e power j omega t. Therefore del cross H is equals to sigma plus j omega epsilon into E. Let this is equation number 8. The solution for these Maxwell's equation can be obtained by decoupling the expressions. Means again decouple with curl. Apply curl on both sides for equation number 7 and 8. We will have equation number 7 implies del cross E is equals to minus j omega mu H. For decoupling, apply curl on both sides. Del cross E is equals to minus j omega mu are the constants and the curl will be applied only for the vectors, that is h. So as from the vector identity, it will become del of del dot E minus del square E, that is equals to minus j omega mu into del cross h. So which will become 0 minus del cross E is equals to j omega mu into, from equation number 8, del cross E is j omega epsilon plus sigma into E, since from equation 8. So minus minus will get cancelled. Finally del cross E is equals to j omega mu into sigma plus j omega epsilon into E. This is equation number 9, and here 7 implies. Now 8 implies del cross h is equals to j omega epsilon plus sigma into E. If you apply curl on both sides, it will become del cross h is equals to j omega epsilon plus sigma into del cross E. So from vector identity, it again become del of del dot h minus del square h is equals to j omega epsilon plus sigma into del cross E will become minus j omega mu h. So this is 0 minus del cross h is equals to minus j omega mu h into j omega epsilon plus sigma into E. Minus minus will get cancelled. So finally del cross h is equals to j omega mu into sigma plus j omega epsilon into h. This is equation number 10. Therefore equation number 9 and 10 are the wave equations for lossy dielectric medium. These two equations are also called as Helmholtz equation. So for free space, the conductivity sigma is equals to 0. Then equation number 9 and 10 will become del cross E is equals to j omega mu into j omega epsilon into E, that is equals to minus omega square mu epsilon into E. And equation number 10 become del square h is equals to j omega mu into j omega epsilon into h, that is equals to minus omega square mu epsilon into h. This is the Helmholtz equation or the wave equation for lossy dielectric medium or wave equation for finite conductivity medium. Thank you.